How to make affirmations work for you, according to experts. Do you want to make some positive changes in your life but don't know how to start? Do affirmations seem too woo-woo for you? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll take a look at what experts say about the power of affirmations and how they can help you make real changes in your life. Identify authentic affirmations. Once you have identified the areas of your life that need improvement, it's time to find the right affirmations for you. Authentic affirmations are those that come from a place of self-love and acceptance. They should be positive and reflect the changes you want to make in your life. The best way to find authentic affirmations is to think about those things that make you feel good, such as your strengths, skills, and talents. Once you have identified these positive aspects of yourself, create affirmations based on them. For example, if you want to be more confident, an affirmation could be "I am capable and confident in all I do," or "I trust my decisions and take action with courage." Make your affirmation more grounded. Once you have identified an authentic affirmation, Datillo suggests making it more grounded by adding details and context. Instead of simply saying "I am strong," for example, you can say "I am strong and capable of achieving my goals." This type of affirmation is more powerful as it allows you to connect to the idea more deeply and gives you a concrete image to focus on. Additionally, take a few moments to visualize yourself being successful in the situation or achieving your goal. Doing this helps to further reinforce the belief in yourself and your capabilities. Put your skepticism on hold. If you're already aware of existing self-limiting beliefs, negative affirmations, that you have, then great. Put your skepticism on hold and write them down. Focus on the affirmation that you've put time into creating for yourself, and each time you practice, it will feel more natural. Experts believe affirmations work by helping create changes in the brain. Affirmations focused on positive experiences or core values can help you shift your negative thoughts and create a positive environment. Speak the affirmation out loud for about 5 minutes. Speaking your best thoughts out loud is what positive affirmations are all about. Studies have found that affirming yourself can produce wide-ranging benefits, so it's important to make sure you're making an effort to believe what you're saying. An ideal time to do this is 3 times a day: morning, midday, and evening, for about 5 minutes each. This will help you challenge negative or unhelpful thoughts and drive positive change in your life. Give yourself a little pep talk out loud in front of the mirror. It's wise to give yourself a little pep talk out loud in front of the mirror, car, or anywhere you happen to be, in order to shift your mindset and make affirmations work for you. Lisa Farron suggests starting out by writing a list of positive feedback for yourself and then reading them out loud. To improve how you see your role, develop a practice of mirror work during morning routines, while brushing your teeth or on the way to work. Positive self-talk is the key to replacing negative thoughts with more positive ones. Repeat positive affirmations frequently and create a positive environment by speaking them aloud for about 5 minutes. With this simple practice, you can set yourself up for a positive day and increase your motivation. Improve how you see your role. In addition to repeating an affirmation to boost motivation and confidence, it can also help to improve how you view your role. By declaring "I am lucky to have this job" on a regular basis, it can help to shift your perspective and recognize the positive aspects of your position. This kind of positive self-talk can be a powerful tool in changing negative thoughts and creating an environment of success and growth. Develop a practice. Developing a regular practice of affirmations is key to making them work for you. This means speaking your affirmations out loud for about 5 minutes 3 times a day, such as in the morning, midday, and evening. You could also give yourself a little pep talk out loud in front of the mirror, on your way to work or anywhere else. By repeating your positive affirmations regularly and shifting negative thoughts, you can create a positive environment that helps to make affirmations work for you. Repeat affirmations regularly. To make affirmations work for you, it's important to repeat them regularly. Whether you say your positive affirmations aloud or just mentally repeat them to yourself is up to you, but the former is probably the best way to get the most out of your affirmations. An ideal time to do this is when you're putting on your makeup or shaving so that you can look at yourself in the mirror as you repeat your affirmations. As you repeat the affirmation to yourself every day, the idea is that over time, you'll actually start to believe your affirmations, and that's when you'll start to see positive change in your life. Shift negative thoughts. By repeating your affirmations regularly and believing in them, you can shift negative thoughts so that you can create a positive environment for yourself. Research has shown that affirming yourself can have wide-reaching effects on your mental and emotional health, so it's important to take the time to practice self-affirmation on a regular basis. To get the most out of this practice, concentrate on your affirmations and believe that they are true. You can even make affirmations part of your daily meditation or give yourself a little pep talk out loud in front of the mirror. By following these steps, you can make affirmations work for you and experience the power of positive thinking. Create a positive environment. In order to create a positive environment, cultivate relationships with people who support and encourage you. Create a space in your home where you can go for a few minutes each day to relax and focus on your affirmations. Engage in activities that bring joy, such as listening to music, practicing yoga, or meditating. Surround yourself with positive people and inspiring quotes. Whenever negativity starts to creep in, take a few moments to focus on what you're grateful for instead. By taking these steps, you can create an atmosphere that will help you make the most of your affirmations. Stay positive and believe in yourself.